Deadly system of thunderstorms and tornadoes tore through the South over the weekend, leaving behind a path of destruction. This weekend's massive storm system ravaged areas from Texas all the way to Mississippi. At least one person is dead here in Mississippi due to the storm. 95-year-old Roy Ratliff was killed. Officials say Ratliff was inside his mobile home when a tree smashed through the building. Monroe County suffered extensive property damage and downed trees overnight. Crews are still assessing the extent of the damage.